early 2000s GM trucks like Tahoe Suburbans, GMCs, having a very similar issue with the ABS kicking in prematurely for no reason, right around 12 miles per hour. Now, a lot of people would think that this is going to be a faulty ABS sensor. However, this is not. It is a little dirty, but that's just what's come from touching the surface out here. It came out clean, and it'll go back in clean. So, check both sides in the front for resistance at the plug, which I did. Both were the same 1.089 something rather, I believe. Either way, then you look, and right there, well, there's the problem. See the rust? See how it's built up, nice and thick. Alright, what that does is pushes the sensor too far that way, just a little, so it can't read those teeth down in there properly. Of course, you want to inspect down in the hole, make sure the teeth are good, everything else is good. Then you want to clean it. However, you don't just clean, because then you'll dump everything down in the hole. So, brief pause, and I'll show you what it looks like when you set it up to clean. Alright, so what you're going to need to do, get you a little piece of cloth, and you'll have to have it jammed in there. But before you do that, you'll need to clean that hole out thoroughly of everything, even the grease. It's alright, we can put it back. Things you may need to mess with: magnet, thin screwdriver, pick. I used this combination, then even took a little piece of the rag, wrapped it around it, cleaned everything out, wiped it down real good inside, then made sure I picked everything out and used a magnet to help pull out anything left over. Jammed a little ball of paper towel, I should say, shop rag, whatever, in there. Then took a file, and not too much. See, there's still a little bit of rust pitting on there, so I didn't take off too much. But you're going to take off all that surface rust. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. Maybe it's not so shiny. Yeah, there we go. And you can clearly see what the paper towel is for. Keep it from falling down into the hole. Then you want to take small nose pliers, pull it out, put a little grease back in there, clean the sensor off. And myself, I like to do a little preventative maintenance, put some anti-seize around the surface. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I've thoroughly wiped down the sensor, not using any cleaner on it, not necessary. That's a magnet right in the middle of that is a magnet right about there. That's a magnet. That's how it reads those teeth down in there. So any rust particles in there will give this false readings, causing a very similar situation. But nice and clean, thin coat of anti-seize to prevent future rust coming back. Anti-seize. I'm a little rough on stuff, hence the needle nose pliers for my handle. And then reinsert and test your theory. Should work. I've had this work several times, so good luck.